Hello everyone, welcome back to TechPorn, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix blurry Instagram stories after uploading. First of all, open your Instagram, click on your profile. Now click on the three lines and open settings. Now scroll down till you see data usage and media quality. Click on it. Here you will see the option of uploaded at highest quality. Enable it. Make sure you're uploading videos and photos with a stable internet connection. Also, avoid excessive editing or multiple exports before uploading. You should also keep Instagram updated to the latest version. And that's it. That's how to improve Instagram story quality. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.